Pang-agianan ni Max.
Ilayat mo.
Sagto siya.
Kani diri siya.
Kasi barangay Kabaychon.
Acquired best friends kayo lahat. Happy Valentine's. 1, 2,
Ay, sorry. Picture mga bata.
Ayaw ko makita yan. Ayaw model mo, please.
mga
Sa relatives lang, ganun. Tapos not really squatter. Pero like this ba? Like in province ba? Ganito ba? Pero more an indigenous, right? Like dito hindi naman talaga matatawag na indigenous.
Sama ka. Bumagso. Sangit.
It's because the government's so incompetent. People like us have to.
That's why it's hard to love Philippines.
The mayor, the one who went like to Europe, and it's so flimsy, it broke.
I feel like it's made of bamboo.
Yeah, they said it's
Inside, yeah. Diba supposed to be computer?
yes. It's made out of bamboo, though, like bamboo and cement, and it's supposed to be.
That's why it's so hard to love Philippines when it comes to like this, because the government is really so strict. I'm so sorry, but that's why.
Ito binabaha, mataas eh. Baha kong toothbrush.
Uy.
Ako inabot pa.
Wala pa din siya na
I only got a 256 gig kasi.
That's a lot.
Me 128 only, that's why I was shocked.
Actually, I was wondering, like, do you use like the warranties?
Lawat naman sila. Diri, yung masahod nila diri niya
Nagkama sila nagpundo.
Uy, wow.
Hindi nakalaos dito ba?
Tahanan mo diri. Hindi ang balay
Tapos alam mo yung letter na yung draft
Hindi, ang
sinend
balay.
sa mayor to the governor.
Wala na ron.
Very wrong grammar. Walang, as in legit. Like, very broken English. I mean, I'm not really
Uy,
police.
gipong laboy ang mana nila, uy.
balay. Ano ba diri? Ini may grabing damage sila. Asyanan.
Sakyan na no.
Atong dito sa taas, wala dito kay taas mo sila. Baka sila ngani ba?
Oh. Kani sila may
Kani ako, piling ko si nanay mo.
What's up?
Kini may ang sila taga Ugoy ko ano, nari ko diri. Linya na ba?
The smallest thing you worry is nothing compared to them. Natapik pa nila dito sa, ay natapik pa niya, yeah, dito sa car, di ba? Like, party ano.
Kini wait,
Grabe.
Like, I get it that you don't have to be like,
Ay, so,
nari ko diri.
but at least like be
Kini mo sila
Mga
sa
sakyan, ano?
right?
Sino mo di white out?
Gago ka. Di ba kayo kasama ko ka ha?
Manigingon ni siguro nila nga.
Video pa nga ako.
Nothing happened and I was like, that's okay, that's your money, but like, di ba, at least help, sharing.
Yung scroll.
Government talaga.
Yeah, also, that's another factor. The government first.
Another
The main
factor. Actually,
That's the main factor, yeah.
The main.
like, look at this.
Kaya had it
Eskwelahan,
been,
no? Ito yung grabe na ano, damage nila.
Grabe. Diri din yung dapat pa yung damage. Naibunus ko diri.
may define
Ano baby, din sila sa una.
who I really am.
Oo ba?
I never know I love helping people until senior high school. Until I joined the student council. Yeah, right? Like,
Sakyan na, no?
it's so fulfilling. My first job upon like, you know, being elected sa SSC was like, there was a fire at our barangay and then I was like, you know, I was the one who coordinated the donation drive. So nice. And then after that I want to help as much as I can.
Guba.
Sa kanita, sa
Hmm?
nalit ko sa car. Ever since then,
Real ko, dyan wala ko. Kuhan mo na. More na ang tag na.
Shit, gutom na ako. Wala
Hindi ka
kasi.
na. Actually,
Late na ako gumising.
oh my
Kasi
God.
pagod talaga ako kagabi. Hindi kayo pagod? Like, bagsak ako pag-uwi.
ako hindi. Oh, I want to. Hindi ako makatulog.
I check nga yung steps ko. Hindi na ako naka 10k, 6k nga lang. Pero pagod talaga.
I feel like it's the pills that I took in the morning. I don't know what that was. So vitamins daw. Because if I didn't take that, I feel like I would be not joining today. Kaya na-slide na ako kagabi.
First light?
Na-slide. Like,
Saan?
sa, like pag-uwi talaga, pagpasok ng bahay, shows na-slide talaga. Super muddy na house talaga namin. So ayun, tapos tinawa na lang ako ni
Mga
Mika.
nison boss ko rin.
Sabi niya, sabi ko be careful. Tapos ayun, sobrang sakit talaga, like legit girl. Ewan ko nga, miracle na lang.
Ano, high school?
Kaya nasa
High school.
Years ako, diri ko nagpunta
Kasi
niya.
baka
Nagbuwa rin nila. Nagbuwa rin nilang area din.
Alam niyo ba, nag-secure ako sa
Simbahan.
motorcycle class.
Sila yung vigil sa una.
Ano ba?
But,
Kani?
kami ni Meg, kailangan
boss ko ni?
magkabon ng flight.
So nag-move-in ka.
So yun, wala rin trauma ko kasi helpful yung move-it eh.
Totoo.
Nag-move kayo.
To ako nag-move-it ako to airport.
Yung luggage mo.
Yakap
Oh
ko.
my gosh, dog.
Otherwise, miss ko yung flight ko. Like,
And
shit.
diba, it's more expensive to like
Yeah,
remove,
sabi
right?
ko, fuck, flight o trauma?
Diba?
So, flight.
Kaya may hindi pa kami ano talaga business fully kay yung ano namin
ganda ng nasakyan kong plane. Parang walang nakaupo yung buong row. So like, ganun-ganun na.
Sa'yo na yun.
So like recently, yung papunta kayo dito?
Yung nasakyan kong plane, walang tao yung
Ah,
buong row. Ako lang mag-isa. So, comfortable siya.
Or hindi? Di ba? Hindi mo natupid.
When you live in a place like this, is it easy to feel hopeless? Or hindi naman kasi parang they don't know what's out there.
No, I feel
What
like
do you
it's
mean?
their choice to stay here.
Like parang ako, nung bata ko, satisfied daw kasi that's all I know. Then nung na-expose ako sa social media na what's out there, parang mas ano ako, naging greedy ba na I want more than like
Or when like that time before he doesn't listen to me.
Or
And they're
maybe
like, oh, I
it's
just stay here.
it's a sense of like, you know, it's preference.
Yeah,
It's
like,
like-
oh, this is my home. Like I've been
Yeah.
here all my life.
like kahit yung mga nag-suffer yung area nila sa
Oh, kasi like I have friends, I mean not friends, pero like somehow
Morning
relatives na,
subdivision.
you know, sa lola side ko. Parang nag-ask ako sa kanila na parang, how about like you wanna live here? And ganun.
Yeah.
Like, they will say, no, I will always come back sa
You have
province.
like relatives or who are like, you can like live with us in the city. Like, you know, you can move this. And there are a lot of affordable options. It's very doable, but they always say like,
It's nice here, province,
like it's their home.
yeah.
It's this. They rather have it there.
ano evacuation center.
This is the evacuation center.
No. Like 6 people died here.
Darong.
Traffic sila.
I feel like it's their choice also, but
Traffic na
I also know some people, like
That's some of our cousins actually.
but like, yeah, like, do you know when I said some people, I actually referred to some of our cousins.
Some of your cousins.
Yeah, of our cousins.
Oh yeah. Silang man.
So, na like, you know, before, hindi naman talaga, like, we will not
Hmm.
but like, because of hard work, because of them,
Bata.
like we, you know, we prospered, and we have everything, like, not really everything, but you know, we're comfortable. Kasi nasabi nila na may naging boss sila.
May kilala ko parang yung dati classmate ako sa school natin. Yung dad niya nag-work ng PMCI. Close friend yung may-ari ng PMCI. Consulting. Namatay yung consulting guy. Pinabayaan yung family.
Kaya ayun, mga anak na parang, ano na eh, parang yung iba, sell na lang yung mga ganon, as part of the company, kasi parang, alam mo yun, hindi talaga yung parents, hindi talaga ng parents, yun talaga yung goal nila as a business. Yeah, I also respect. I still this kind of conversations with others. I gotta chime in before sa
We're gonna hear manto. Yeah.
It's like-
Yun lang nagkulat ko kayo.
Wala rin si
Hey, bro. Bro.
Kaya nila sila sa politics,
Because
no?
they know God.
Clock the day. You clocked it. No, may extremities.
Very good, no? Are you okay?
Hmm. Kurot. Ano deh di jalusot diri. Kabawa ng
May
traffic
puso.
na ito.
Puso or puso?
No, doon ra ko ano, highway oh.
From underground, they pump it sa kanila. From the down.
Wow, safe sila. Walang walang dumi-dumi mga Yes.
Pero dito sa baba, ano? Pero yung laundry shop nila na ano? Ano yung mga washing machine?
Ito pala yung con pag sa bundok kapira. Kasi hindi lang yung baka yung halaman mo pag yung pagdaligin mo. Nagpa-block yung sa Manila kahit pa paano 2 weeks lang. So like after 24 hours wala na.
Wait lang ah. Don't get offended. We're like,
Ana, di rin daghan ko ano.
really have superiority complex over someone else.
Siguro pag grade 11 ka, hindi mo alam yung meaning ng mga probinsya. Ang alam lang namin probinsya yung Batangas.
Kaso from there lang.
So nagugulat kami na meron pa palang ibang probinsya. Leyte, Zamboanga.
Cebu, ganun.
So, hindi lahat yun di namin alam. Kasi for us, yung mga Pampanga, walang building, like roads lang talaga. So assume namin, yung mga Cebu, lang rin na walang building.
So that's why that
Richness nung 2022 yung
Nas to nga sa basakan.
kasi
doon lang ang person ng Cebu. So doon ko lang na it's not just a road. It's developed pala, may Globe Tower,
Sa city pala.
may Seda.
like it's a village of like full of rich and wealthy people.
Yun yung Cebuano friend ko. Nagkala ko like fake rich siya. Kasi like, hindi siya,
Simple lang.
simple talaga siya. Tapos
Yeah, it's always a
nag-birthday siya
simple
sa
thing.
Okada. Tangina. Akala ko hotel room.
Ano lang, sando lang at ano.
Gago
sila
pang ina nga may itong taga Zamboanga na classmate ko. Naka-LV Gucci siya lagi. Eh yung teacher ko, taga Xavier Ateneo. So inaasar siya. Fake ba yan? Fake ba yan? Tas, talagang to the point na kinuha niya yung bag para i-check niya kung authentic or hindi.
Ay, we.
Kaya
Grabe
gago
naman.
to.
Thank you,
Dagan kayo mga sakyanan sa news kito siya.
Ah, sa Bakayan dahil nyo dahil?
Baka yan.
Dito ko ito niya adlaw, di lang makasuod no?
Wala pa. Dito may nauna, may dito. Wala pa?
Okay na?
Ma'am, ayaw ni ma'am.
Ngit na gyud.
Bantayan din mga kawatan ni nanggara ng uban.
Hmm.
Asabog na sa
Ay, may
Mura man itong nasa apocalypse nga salida.
Yung mga hitek gano'n. Uniqlo.
Ito naman yung naanak Max no, dili na magamit no.
Ano ba na overhaul? Ang ganun tingnan. Problema. GG.
Wasak na wasak oh. Tubig.
Litis.
Nampong sila kay. Ay siguro ba? Buba ang ilang gate.
No? Pang Toyota oh.
Sangit. Halinon imong sakyanan ani nga deal Max kay daghan may mamalit na pud. Naguba na may lang sakyanan.
Ay, wala na siya.
Laan mo rin sa unang palit diri.
Kung nga diri ka makuyo. Delikado ang diri ka nagkuyo.
Barato ba sa kanan diri ba?
Ba? Daghan may igol sa Mindanao Max. So kung kaila rito eagles.
Ba't biglang sumisikat ulit yan? Di ba? Pandemic tayo.
Itong pato.
Sana pag nagka-trending sa art, mas alam ko the language. How about art?
May nangasangit itong sakyanan. Oh.
Katong gikan sa babaw, pinagtana ko. Pero lahat dito baksak.
Bagsak ng tubig.
Doon na tayo, may